Hey y'all, happy fall. I'm Lillian with ChordBuddy. I've got my Perry guitar and my ChordBuddy device here, and we're going to get into the Halloween spirit with playing a little song called Monster Mash. Here's how to play it. I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from a slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monster mash, the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. He did the mash. It caught on in a flash. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. He did the monster mash. Get your own ChordBuddy today and learn how to play. You're a rock star.